Can tapioca starch or potato starch be used as a substitute for cornstarch?
Hello food enthusiasts and home cooks. Today, we're going to delve into a common culinary question. Can tapioca starch or potato starch be used as a substitute for cornstarch? Whether you're baking or cooking, knowing how to substitute one ingredient for another can be a lifesaver, especially if you've run out of something or if you're catering to dietary restrictions. Let's figure out if these substitutions are feasible and how they might change your recipe.
Can tapioca starch replace cornstarch?
The quick and easy answer is yes. Tapioca starch can be used as a substitute for cornstarch. Tapioca starch, derived from the root of the cassava plant, can be used in a 1-to-1 ratio as a substitute for cornstarch. However, it's important to note that while it will thicken your sauces and fillings much like cornstarch, it might give them a slightly glossier appearance. It also forms a gel much faster than cornstarch, so make sure to watch your dish closely to avoid over-thickening.
Can potato starch replace cornstarch?
Similarly, potato starch is also an effective substitute for cornstarch. Made from the starch found in potatoes, it has a neutral flavor and is excellent for thickening soups and gravies. You can use it in the same amount as cornstarch in your recipe. But remember, potato starch loses its thickening power when boiled, so it's best added towards the end of cooking.
How will these substitutions affect my dish?
While both tapioca and potato starch can be used to replace cornstarch, the end result might vary slightly. As mentioned, tapioca starch may give a glossier finish to your dish, whereas potato starch should be added later in the cooking process to retain its thickening properties. Both are great thickening agents, but their different properties may slightly alter the texture or look of your dish. So there you have it. Next time you're in a pinch and out of cornstarch, remember that you can reach for either tapioca or potato starch instead. Just keep in mind the unique properties of each to make sure you get the best results. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!